Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and attractive designs of crochet cushion covers. You will see patchwork designing ideas in this video, and other patterns are also included, like this grid style bubble stitch pattern, which is looking really attractive and textured design. And all of other designs are also really attractive, and their color schemes are too attractive. You can see beautiful contrasting color schemes are used in these designs. You will see light color schemes like this one, and you will see dark color schemes in this video as well, which are used as contrasting colors together to make really attractive and gorgeous patchwork patterns. In patchwork patterns, it is very difficult to choose the right color schemes, and for right color scheme you can take ideas from this video as well. I have uploaded designs of patchwork on my channel already, and you will find designs of mixed category in this video as well. I have uploaded designs on patchwork separately as well, so you can watch other videos as well. And I have tutorial videos of crochet work on my channel as well. So if you are new to my channel, press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads from this channel, and visit my older videos for crochet tutorials as well. And I also upload crochet tutorial videos on your request, so stay connected and share your opinion in the comment box. If you are interested in seeing any specific crochet tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel, I will make it for you. So just share your opinion and share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle as well, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos containing latest trends and attractive ideas of handmade products which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids, and are related to home decoration products ideas. So basically you will find huge collections and ideas videos of handmade products, and you will find crochet rugs, you will find table mats, table placements, you will find cushion cover ideas, you will find home decoration products ideas like wall hangings, dream catchers, etc. And you will find wearable accessories ideas like shrugs, cardigans, bolero jackets, fingerless gloves, jewelry items, and shoes ideas as well. So stay connected to get them all, and you will find tutorial videos of all types of beginner friendly patterns, and you will find tutorial videos of crochet coasters, doilies, table runners. You will find crochet tutorials of different square patterns and round patterns. You will find crochet tutorials of mostly baby products as well, like baby frogs, baby cardigans, and you will find baby hats and baby headbands tutorial videos available on my channel as well. So stay connected if you are interested in learning crochet work and get all amazing and super beginner friendly ideas of tutorial videos as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.